everybody, Amar here from DIGIKIDZ, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a ceramic cup. First, let's just add a cylinder. The shortcut for it is Shift A, or you can do the add thing over here. Now let's go to modeling, right? We're gonna go to the top one, pick up all of the dots, use insert faces, and then just a little bit because we're making a cup. Yeah, make it towards a little bit like that. And then we're going to use the extrude region. We're gonna push it down to the bottom, but not to the very bottom like that, like this. No, that's wrong. We want to do it like right at the cup, or just a little bit under to work as a coaster, if you get what I mean. Yeah, that's perfect. It's like a coaster. The coaster is too small for me, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Sorry, like that. Yep. Now we're going to select, and no, first we're actually going to go to shading, and we're going to click the plus new if it doesn't already have this principal BSDF. Now the first thing you want to do before putting in any of these is going to Google Chrome and going to polygon, POLIGIN. It's basically a place where you can get 2D textures and all of that. I already have it downloaded, so we're just going to go with mine. Go to add, go to texture, image texture, click open, downloads, polygon, click the 2K one, and for this one, let's do base color first. Connect the base color one to the base color. Let's do it one more time. Let's go to image texture again. Go down, open, downloads, polygon, decay, and then metallic. And we're going to connect this one to the metallic one, and then one more texture, image texture. Yep, open, downloads again, and then roughness. Now we're going to separate the metallic one and the base color one by moving them up here, but the roughness is down here, because before we connect it to the roughness, we want to add something from the converter, which is the color ramp. Now you connect it to this, and you connect the color ramp to the roughness. There you go. Now you can select how shiny it can be. You can make it really shiny, or basically not shiny at all. Or like it really shiny like this. And let's go back to sculpting, and there you go. It's not really shown here because it's not gonna be shown anywhere else except the shading, but yeah, whatever. Or you can click that if you want to view it in the other ones too. And well, yeah, that's it. This is how you make a ceramic cup inside Blender. Okay, thank you everybody. I will see you next time in DIGIKIDZ. Goodbye.